In today's fast-moving business world, sales teams don't just need data, they need the right data at the right time. But most organizations still struggle with fragmented systems, inconsistent product data, pricing errors, and slow order processing. Disconnected sales systems, inaccurate product and pricing data, slow order cycles, and poor customer experience hold teams back. Introducing iSales, Neuvays intelligent sales solution designed to streamline, simplify, and accelerate your sales operations. Built on modern enterprise architecture, iSales empowers your teams with real-time product and pricing visibility. It provides seamless order management and processing. It delivers integrated workflows across SAP ecosystems, and it uses intelligent automation to reduce manual effort. From retail to manufacturing and distribution, iSales solves critical industry challenges. It eliminates data inconsistencies across channels and accelerates order-to-cash cycles. It improves sales team productivity and enhances customer experience with accurate real-time information. With iSales, organizations can drive faster sales cycles and higher operational efficiency. iSales also enables better decision-making with trusted data and scalable growth in a competitive market. iSales transforms sales into a connected, intelligent, and data-driven experience. Explore more at neuvays.com iSales and accelerate your sales transformation with Neuvays.